Good afternoon, MMTs. We're talking about ICPT. And ICPT was at $320 a share. At one point, it was clear down here, and this is a 3-minute chart, but I just wanted to show it where it broke down at that 310 level and just kept going forever. Let's take a look at a 60-minute. Here, you can see where this huge gap down on the news was, and you had to get net short right away, called a runaway gap down. And basically at one point we were down about $55 a share, and so therefore we want you to clearly see what it looks like. We're going to take a look at how it rallied up over here on the beginning month of May, and you can clearly see that rally, that they walked this thing all the way up like they do, and then it went to the slaughterhouse. We had traded to that upside, and then today on that gap down, which is referred to a runaway gap down, was a big trade right there. And so we were down over $53 at one time on an intraday level from that gap. We were down $38.43 starting right in here, and we made a huge trade on ICPT. There's a lot more downside to come. When I show you guys back over here, when we had found some footing on the stock, we had some big key reversals here. We rallied all the way up in anticipation that their FDA news was going to be good, and it was not good. And therefore we're going to come down and we're going to hit this trade down here. There's a lot more room to go down. I'm just showing it here on that 60-minute. Once again, learn how to sell a gap down on the opening bell. It gaps down to right here, and that was the high right there, 283, all the way down to 260 in the marketplace, where there's a lot more downside. We have option contracts. Put option contracts are paying big, and the shares intraday